We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to give you an exclusive interview with the incarcerated black female activist.
You have been called a revolutionary and a militant. What do you see as the meaning of the term revolutionary?
The revolutionary wants to change the nature of society in a way that promotes a world where the needs and interests of the people are responded to. The revolutionary realizes, however, that in order to make a world where human beings can live and love and create, you have to destroy the political apparatus that prioritizes order and control over all else.
Do you believe in violence to achieve revolution?
Of course, violence is not the defining characteristic of revolution. It leads people to equate a progressive movement and fascism.
But don't you think that citizens who push for violence now more than ever need to be controlled?
From the time I was very small, I remember having to suppress every creative urge out of fear of retaliation from the charter. My father had to patrol our neighborhood every night to protect us from attacks. That's why when someone asks me about violence, sir, I just find it incredible. Because what it means is that the person asking that question has absolutely no idea what we have experienced in this country since the very first rip in the multiverse. When the saved of earth shall gather over on the other shore, and the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. Where is Eshu? He is always hiding, playing tricks on the unsuspecting. Some say he's cruel and sly, but Eshu can only manifest what is already present. If the gatekeeper of secrets held by powerful men is cruel to you, well, don't shoot the messenger. You couldn't even fathom what I have experienced since the rip in the multiverse.
And now, back to your regularly scheduled programming.